בראשית ברא אלוהים את השמיים ואת הארץ, והארץ הייתה תוהו ובוהו, וחושך על פני תהום, ורוח אלוהים מרחפת על פני המים.
Shalom Hebrew Study Group, Damian Jordan here, administrator for the group, and I want to bring to your attention an app that some of you, if you knew what it had to offer, it would be the app that you've been looking for. Tanakh Read-Along. It is by a brilliant developer. You'll find it under the title Tanakh Read-Along. It's available on Google Play as well as the Apple Store. So what I'm going to do is move over to a different screen. And as you can see right here, this is what it looks like. Now I can toggle the phonetics on and off by tapping in the upper right hand corner where you see the lips. Just click right there. The phonetics disappear. If you want to bring the phonetics back, tap that toggle again and the phonetics come back. If you want to take the translation out of view so that you're only looking at the Hebrew and the phonetics, then tap the toggle in the upper left corner. You can see it right there. I'm going to tap on that. So now I have only the Hebrew and the phonetics. Let's say you want only the Hebrew to be visible. Once again, you can go over to the upper right hand corner and tap on the toggle button, and now you have merely the Hebrew. If you press the play button in the lower right corner, you'll see that the app will begin to play this chapter. In this case, it happens to be Genesis chapter 1.
בראשית ברא אלוהים את השמיים ואת הארץ, והארץ הייתה תוהו ובוהו, וחושך על פני תהום, ורוח אלוהים מרחפת על פני המים. ויאמר אלוהים יהי אור, ויהי אור. וירא אלוהים את האור כי טוב, ויבדל אלוהים בין האור ובין החושך. ויקרא אלוהים לאור יום, ולחושך קר הלילה, ויהי ערב ויהי בוקר, יום אחד. ויאמר אלוהים, יהי רקיע בתוך המים, ויהי מבדיל בין מים למים.
You can adjust the speed of the playback where it says 1.0, that's normal speed. You can adjust the speed by simply tapping there, and you can see where you can select slower, and the normal reading time is displayed at the bottom right next to the play button. You'll see that it says 5 minutes and 22 seconds. A tutorial for the use of this app is available by tapping on the question mark, and you'll see the various notes, the annotations, where in the upper left-hand corner you can toggle the display translation. In the upper right-hand corner you can toggle the display phonetics. You can select which book and chapter you want to listen to and study by tapping on the title that you see at the top. In this case, it happens to be Genesis chapter 1. Once again, in the lower left, you can display this tutorial that we're looking at together right now. You can change the audio speed. Scrolling down, you can tap on any word to open its flashcard. And I'll do that in just a moment. But when the flashcard opens up, you can tap on the flashcard again in order to see detailed information regarding that word. Let's tap on that. It opens up so that we see the Hebrew larger. And if I tap on the card, it flips it around. And as you can see, it provides the definition and variations on that definition. It also shows that there is a preposition, the beit, at the beginning, which means in. And it is a noun, feminine singular. Okay, so we have additional details here. The number 7225 is the Strong's Exhaustive Concordance reference number. And as you can see right here, it has details, the translation in the beginning. This is very special. The details here on this flashcard, we can tap on it again to go back to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and slide down a little bit more and you'll see what I'm referring to. If you tap on the flashcard, it'll flip around. And where it says VA in the lower left and CA in the lower right, what you can do is you can tap to indicate your level of confidence for a given verse, and you can tap to indicate your level of confidence regarding the chapter as a whole. All right, now we see the last slide. And if you want to reset your level of confidence for all words in the chapter, you would just tap on the reset button next to the word chapter. If you want to reset your level of confidence for all words in the verse, to set it to 0, just click on the reset button to the right of the word verse. A little further down, you'll see the toggle between the words chapter and verse that says this determines whether the next word or flashcard will come from the current verse or chapter. And then further down below, we have current level indicated by color and in bold. Okay, so those are the details available to you in the tutorial. We can slide this back up to the top. I'm going to tap the back arrow, and we're looking at the actual Hebrew text with the options to tap for the phonetics, as well as tapping for the translation. And when you press play, you're going to hear perfect Hebrew pronunciation. Tanakh Read-Along. It's available on Google Play as well as the Apple Store.
בראשית ברא אלוהים את השמיים ואת הארץ, והארץ הייתה תוהו ובוהו, וחושך על פני תהום, ורוח אלוהים מרחפת על פני המים.